Why your back hurts. After 65 and how to fix it without surgery. Have you ever gotten out of bed and thought, why does my back feel like I just wrestled a bear overnight? Or maybe it's not mornings. Maybe it's when you try to garden, go for a walk, or even just stand in the kitchen for more than 10 minutes. You pause, place your hands on your lower back, and sigh. That ache, that stiffness, it wasn't always there. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Just because you're over 65 doesn't mean you have to accept back pain as a part of life. And no, you don't need surgery to get relief. Today I'm going to walk you through why this happens, and most importantly, how you can take back control of your back, gently, naturally, and effectively. Let's dive into the reasons and what you can do, step by step. The natural aging of the spine, and what you can do about it. As we age, the discs in our spine, the little cushions between our vertebrae, start to dry out and shrink. It's a natural process called disc degeneration. Picture your spine like a stack of marshmallows between graham crackers. Over time, those marshmallows lose their fluff and things start to press together. But here's the thing, degeneration doesn't have to mean pain. Take Helen, 72, from Dorset. She loved baking for her grandkids but had to stop because standing hurt too much. Her doctor explained her spine had aged, but not dangerously. With daily gentle stretching and simple posture changes, Helen was back in the kitchen in a few weeks. Moral of the story? Aging is normal, but pain doesn't have to be. Lack of movement. The surprising enemy of comfort. You might think resting your back is helping it, but too much rest can actually make things worse. When we stop moving, the muscles that support our spine weaken. That puts more pressure on our joints and discs. Take Bob, a retired truck driver from Ohio. He stopped his morning walks because of his aching back, but his physical therapist encouraged him to try short walks again, just 5 minutes to start. A few weeks later, he was up to 30 minutes, and the pain, almost gone. Movement is medicine. Even gentle stretches or seated exercises can reawaken your core muscles and ease pressure off your spine. Poor posture, the silent backbreaker over. The years, our posture tends to change. Shoulders round forward, we hunch when we sit, and gradually our spine falls out of alignment. It's like parking your car slightly crooked every day. Eventually, something wears out. Marjorie, 68, from Melbourne, didn't realize her reading chair was causing her issues. She spent hours each afternoon curled up with a book. Her back was paying the price. A simple change, adding lumbar support and adjusting how she sat, gave her immediate relief. Check how you're sitting right now. Is your back supported? Are your feet flat? Small changes make a big difference. Muscle imbalances, the hidden culprit. Many older adults experience something called muscle imbalance. Some muscles are tight, others are weak. This uneven pull can stress the spine. For example, if your hip flexors are tight from too much sitting, they pull on your pelvis and strain your lower back. George, 70, loved chess but hated yoga until his doctor explained how tight muscles were causing his pain. He gave it a try, doing 10-minute sessions in his living room. Within a month, his pain eased and his posture improved. You don't have to twist into a pretzel. Just some light, balanced stretching can restore harmony in your body. Inflammation and diet. What you eat matters. Here's something we often overlook. What's on your plate can affect your back. Inflammation from processed foods, excess sugar, and even dehydration can worsen back pain. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, omega-3s, and good hydration can ease inflammation and help your body heal. Linda, 66, from Arizona, switched her snacks from cookies to walnuts and berries. It wasn't a massive change, but she noticed less stiffness in the mornings. She calls it her anti-inflammatory snack attack. What small changes could you make this week? 6. Emotional stress. Yes, it shows up in your back. Our bodies and minds are deeply connected. Worry, grief, loneliness. These emotions create tension, and for many, that tension settles in the shoulders and lower back. Peter, 75, lost his wife. 3 years ago and began experiencing chronic back pain soon after. With counseling and a local support group, he started processing his grief. Miraculously, the pain began to fade too. Never underestimate the power of emotional well-being on physical health. Your pain is real, but so is your healing. Sleeping the wrong way, hurting yourself. Without knowing finally, let's talk sleep. The wrong mattress, an unsupportive pillow, or even how you lie can wreak havoc. Back sleepers might need a small pillow under their knees. Side sleepers? A pillow between the knees can align the spine. Marcia, 69, from New York, bought a firmer mattress and started using a knee pillow. She says it's like her back smiles every morning now. Look at your sleep setup. Is it helping or hurting? Let's reflect. So many of us live with back pain quietly, thinking it's just part of getting older. But the truth is, you don't have to. Gentle movement, better posture, mindful eating, emotional care. These are powerful tools, and they're all within your reach. Which of these changes feels doable for you? Have you already tried something that helped your back feel better? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Your story might just help someone else. If this video gave you a little hope or a helpful idea, please give it a like, consider subscribing, and share it with a friend who might need it. Take care of your back, because it's been taking care of you for a long, long time.